Will MTN Zone be back? When will it be back? Why is it so that we are having this in the system? This is quite an headache to many Ghanaians. Alright, but inside these tutorials, we are going to explain detail on why it is so, when it will be back, and other alternatives as we await for Zone. Okay. All right, please welcome to Scamper Tutorials, and don't forget to hit the subscription button to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos, and also turning on all notifications to be notified whenever we drop new exciting videos like this. All right, so MTN Zone is the popular bundle many people or many Ghanaians have been using, but it's quite unfortunate. For the past 2 days, Ghanaians are not able to buy this bundle because what they see is yellow. This service is temporary unavailable. Kindly dial *138# or *141# to buy your data bundles. All right, let's get started. On my personal enquiry, I called MTN to make an enquiry, or to ask them why it is so, because we are the zone users. Okay, we are the zone users. So my first question is, I'm a zone user, but why is it that for the past 2 days we are not able to access the MTN zone packs? And what they said was, we are sorry for these inconveniences. Okay, we are sorry for the inconveniences, but MTN zone issue is a general issue. Our technical team is working on it to get it resolved as soon as possible. So please cope with us as we resolve this issue. And I said, oh, okay. Uh, Please, why is it that MTN used to send us a notification uh, on all issues pertaining to their services? Let's say we are MTN want to fix something in the Momo. MTN sent us cross-board message, but why is it that on this note, zone users weren't able to get any message? Is this an heartbreaking? They said no, it's not an heartbreaking, because they sent message crossboard, but it was quite unfortunate. Some didn't get theirs. Okay, some didn't get theirs. Maybe you may be part. I was part. I didn't receive any SMS. So MTN said we should forgive them. Okay, we should forgive them, and they are working on the zone because it's a general issue. So I also went on to asking them, when will zone be available, because Ghanaians are eager for it. This is what we've been using. We pay less and browse more. Why is it that zone is not in the system? When will it be back? And their response was, MTN Zone will be back, but they are not sure of the actual date because it's a general issue. Their technical team is working on it. It takes only the technical team to communicate that, and they can't communicate that with us. They are very sorry on that note, and we all must understand that it's an general issue. They are trying to get things done for us. So please let keep our fingers closed as we await for the coming back of Zone Bundle. All right, so on that note, my last question was, please, do you have any alternative that we can use as we await for the comeback of data zone? Because we everybody want to pay less, and browse more. And what they said was we can use their flexi bundle, that is the star 138 hash. So on that note, let me take you through that. Let me take you through that. So star 138 hash. The best offer here uh is their premium offer. You just go for buy data bundle. This is for day. We have midnight you use for night, and the Kukuroko you use between 5 to 8. Sure, I'm sure 5 to 8. All right, so let's go for one. For this, you can buy for others too. Okay, you can buy for others, but let's make things possible here. Or let's make things simple here. We are buying for ourselves. All right, so please note the 3 city pack is the best pack here. Okay, the 3 city pack is the best pack here. So buying it 3 times, you are going to get 1.2 gig. Okay, but let's go to 99 to more it and see. All right, we could see that the density pack is giving us 828, of which it's not an exciting thing, or it's not an advisable thing to go about it. Just buy the 3 Ghana series 3 times and enjoy. Okay. Other exciting part is that they are having the crazy offer. This is called the crazy MTN offer. Okay. Remember, it's an offer and price may increase or decrease at any time. Okay, so we have the 2.5 gig for 3 days and it's 12 Ghana series. We have the 1.2 gig for 30 days and it's 10 Ghana series. Okay, so we have the 820 megabytes for 15 days and it's 6.8 Ghana series. Let more this. And you can see another offers here which are quite good, because we have 2.2 gig for 30 days at 10 Ghana cedis and 1 gig for 3 days at 5 Ghana cedis. They used to have 5 gig for 1 day at 5 Ghana cedis. It's like that 5 gig point 5 gig for 5 gig. All right, so here is this. So 5.5 Ghana cedis and you get 5 gig for 1 day. It's quite like the Zone bundle, because Zone bundle, as it arise, you are likely to get this offer. Yes, you are likely to get this offer. So please, we can manage with this, because in no more time, Zone bundle will be back, and we can use their mashup offers too. They told me that star 567 hash star 567 hash is their mashup bundle, and we can get them two for personal use. So we go for option one. We go for, let's say we are buying 1 Ghana cedis, but yeah, if you want you can use this to so you can split them. You get 21 megabytes and 11 minutes. Okay, 21 megabytes and 11 minutes. What offer I'm going to show you is the MTN Alpha. MTN Alpha 2 star 1848 hash. Star 1848 hash. Okay, star 1848 hash, and you will be able to see the MTN. So we go for buy Alpha bundle. Buy Alpha bundle. So Alpha plus data bundle. Alpha plus data bundle. So you see, you get 140 minutes. Let's say 160 minutes and 50 SMS and 150 data. Okay, 150 data. So guys, if you have any friend who is doing that race for MTN free browsing, it's not advisable to post tutorials on that on YouTube. So please, you can see them so that you also enjoy that. All right, guys. So on that note, I'm going to we can say per what MTN are saying, they have assured us that MTN Zone is not an heartbreaking and MTN zone will be back. Okay, MTN zone will be back. So let's all keep our fingers closed as we await for MTN zone. But to wait for MTN zone, also we can also enjoy their crazy offers as we've gone through, because the crazy offers are likely more good than the flexi bundle. Okay, than the flexi bundle. So we can enjoy that as we await for them. Thank you guys for coming through. And if this tutorials was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification and to be alarmed whenever we drop new exciting videos. So turn on all notifications to be alarmed whenever we drop new exciting videos like this. It's a pleasure to meet you in the next tutorial, so that when you are in Ghana and you know the best, that's it. I'm out.